Hi everyone. In this video, we're gonna cover how to calculate the bond duration. So go to your developer, Visual Basics, and we start the function here for the calculation of duration of bond. So basically, it's Macaulay duration, and this tells us that how it takes on an average to get back all the money you invested in a bond, considering both the regular payment, that is the coupons, and the final payment, that is the face value. So let's see. So very first we are here creating the function name called bond duration with 4 inputs, that is the face value, coupon rate, maturity, and yield to maturity. Face value, the bonds principal, say like rupees 1000. Coupon rate, yearly interest rate, say like 8%. Maturity, how many years until it ends, say like 5 years. Yield to maturity, the market return rate, example 10% or 0.10. um, and then another function we have to write here for the bond price, which we have created earlier also, to find the bond's current market price. So uh, we need the price because duration is basically weighted average of time, and the weight depends on the present value of the payment, with sum up to the price. So we'll create the function for that also. Price, that is bond price, face value, coupon rate, maturity, and yield to maturity. Now its bond duration equals to 0. So we will be starting from 0, and we will slowly add up the weighted times, that is for year 1, 2, etc. for each payment. And now for I is equals to 1 to maturity, it's again a looping function to go through each year from 1 to the bond's maturity time. Now the second is bond duration equals to the formula bond duration for the first years, and next I for the last year payment. So let's break down the formula here. I represents the year number 1, 2, 3. Face value into coupon rate to get the coupon payment, the money which will we get each year, and 1 plus yield to maturity to the power I. This is the discounting factor, discount the payments to its value today, and we have multiplied I to this, multiplying the payment by the time how far in the future it comes. So basically this formula tells us that take each year's coupon payment and find how much it's worth today and multiply it by the number, year number, and add it up. So we'll get the weighting each payment by this. Now for the final year we have to add the face value back to it. So we add one more term for the final lump sum payment and multiply it by how many years until you receive it, that is maturity. So we will be writing this formula now. Bond duration is equals to bond duration plus face value into maturity divided by 1 plus yield to maturity to the power maturity. Sorry. Now in the last step, let's write it first. Face value into maturity divided by 1 plus yield to maturity to the power maturity. Now moving to the final step, that is the bond duration equals to bond duration divided by price. So we divide the total time weighted value of all the payments by bond's total price, and that give us the average time in years it takes to get your money back, and that is the bond's duration. So the function will end here. I will adjust it a bit. Now go to your Excel file and click on duration, write equals to bond duration. The formula is created here, you can see it. Open brackets, and then select the face value, coupon rate, maturity, and yield to maturity. Bracket close and enter. Here you will get your answer. Thank you.